Breaking up is difficult, but breaking up with or divorcing a narcissist might be one of the hardest things a person will ever go through. Because when someone has lived inside such a toxic dynamics with psychological abuse, they are most probably systematically worn down by gaslighting, manipulation, and emotional pressure. And it's exactly at this point, when their nervous system is in a survival mode, that they have to be at their best, thinking clearly and making strategic decisions about the future, which might involve children. Many people and many professionals don't fully realize what this narcissistic or antisocial dynamics is all about, and how deeply these destructive patterns might impact a divorcing process. Financially, legally, socially, practically, and of course, emotionally. My name is Benedikte Brantsæter, and I'm honored to be invited to speak at this topic in a 90 minutes talk at the Hypnosekonference in Copenhagen on March 7th. I will show how narcissistic conflicts actually works, but more importantly, how we can help the abused rebuild clarity, mental strength, inner authority, and how to prepare for high conflict processes and long-term pressure. Because it all begins with awareness. Looking forward to meeting you all in Copenhagen.